Yo, what is up, guys? Alright, Mike from Boosted State coming at you, and we actually made it to the second vlog. I'm shocked. Anyway, I got some boxes back here. Stay tuned for our next episode on that one. But today is some extremely, super exciting news. I'm going to VF Engineering today. I am so freaking excited, guys. Okay, wait. There's a car. Can't you see I'm vlogging here? Let me give you some backstory on what's going on with VF Engineering. So, Boosted State's going viral. What's new, you know? That's just the usual. I've been in contact and I've posted some videos by VF Engineering before, but I posted a video the other day and it went stupid viral. I will show you guys it right now.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
And then I posted another video 2 days later and that went viral as well. And that was from VF Engineering as well.
Jeez! Jesus Christ.
Damn, Daniel, back at it again with the white van.
So I was talking to VF Engineering. They wanted me to come out today, but then they pushed it out to Monday because Samuel Habinet, who is a two-time Formula One drifting champion, will be there on Monday, and they want me to do a ride-along with him as he drifts around his Lamborghini for you guys, for YouTube, and for Instagram. So I'm extremely excited and I can't wait to do this. So we're gonna be going back to VF Engineering on Monday. Yeah, so let's get going. What are we waiting for? And I actually forgot that today's my birthday, so happy birthday to me. Check that out. Boosted State, okay? You guys need to be following it, alright? There's no excuses. If you have an Instagram, follow it. And check out the merch. The merch! Link in bio. Let's go. I almost forgot my wallet. That would have sucked. You know your boy had to get some gas because this thing is a gas guzzler. I just noticed that I had completely forgotten to wash my car, so now I have to go to VF Engineering with a dirty car. Like, come on, I don't want to do this.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Look at how expensive these gas prices are in California. $3.49. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Alright guys, so I'm about to pull up to VF Engineering right now and I'm extremely nervous. Ah! Alright, here we go. Here we go. Where are we going? I can't look at my map. This is so dangerous. Okay, I think it's in here. No, maybe. The vlogging life. Oh, no, I definitely entered the wrong area. We're doing this one-handed driving. There's a camera hanging off the side of the car. I'm trying to take directions. Don't try this at home, kids. Last thing I can do right now is get a ticket. That would suck. I think it's in here. Here we go. We're gonna make some changes here. We're gonna go around here. What is going on? I feel like I'm totally going in circles right now. I'm definitely not going the right way. I'm in some random, I don't even know what's going on right now. Okay, wait a minute. We can figure this out. I think that's their BMW right there. Okay, let's see. This looks promising. This looks promising. Are we here? Yes, we are. Okay. I'm just gonna park right.
Mr. Gibbs, Captain. You may throw my hat if you like. Aye, aye, Captain. Hooray! Now go and get it.
We figured out. We actually found our way here. That's surprising. All right, so here we are, VF Engineering. I'm excited. Look at all this high-tech vlogging here, guys. Check this out. This is just for you guys. I totally didn't get this for another project and it failed, and now I'm using it for this project. I got it solely for Boosted State. Let's go, it's getting tuned right now. Woo! amazing. I don't know how it's coming out through the camera, but guys, this is beautiful. Wow. That is nice, man. Wait. I found my way in.
All right, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good.
Yeah, I heard it. I'm Gary. Hi, man. How much did you make? And what is this? Could this be Mr. Jake Paul's Lamborghini Performante? It's here. That's pretty cool. Got the Jake Pauler sign at the top. Very subtle, but very nice. Absolutely beautiful. Lambro. Beautiful. I love these wheels. These are amazing. These are beautiful. Check out these wheels, guys. Wow. Nick working hard, as always. This has got to be the most beautiful Audi R8 I have ever seen. This is amazing. Just amazing. What do we have out here? A GT3 Porsche? Oh man. You gotta love the satin black, matte black look. It's just, wow. That looks so good. It's funny how 3 of the cars here are rocking this wrap. Yeah, so we're almost 682 on that video.
That is crazy, and in just under, let's see how many days. Just 3 days.
That's pretty amazing.
That's
bro.
phenomenal.
And there's the next one. Check out the next one.
Yeah.
It's climbing in views too. We got 524,000. So that's over 1 million views from both those videos.
Yeah, in 24 hours. That's fantastic.
So that one will keep going up for sure.
Yeah.
I'm hoping the Lambo one gets up to 700. That's what I really want.
Yeah.
It's like creeping up very slowly.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I'm sure it will.
Yeah.
And then we'll do some more stuff. And then if you come on Monday, you'll see Samuel, and we can do some specific stunts, whatever you want.
Awesome.
So yeah, just tell us whatever you want. If you want to sit in that car while he does a dyno run,
That would be sweet.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So I get to sit in the Audi as he does a dyno run. What? This is. The hospitality is amazing. That's how I'm about to go in. Thank you, sir. What is up, man?
How you doing? I'm Robin.
I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Mike.
Man, this interior is something else.
Yeah, I love the red guts.
Oh my gosh. This is sweet. So if you guys are tuning into the live right now, I'm going live on Instagram, guys. So I'm sitting in the cockpit with VF Engineering, and we're doing a dyno pull on a supercharged Audi that they have in here right now, and it's super sweet.
Ready to go?
Yeah, let's do it. Just keeps climbing. Oh my God. Wow.
There she is.
How much did we make? We made
572 on 91 octane at all 4 wheels.
nice,
Mustang
bro.
dyno.
Wow. That is super cool. Damn. That was super sweet. Well, if you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do it now, because this whole thing is... What's up? How you guys doing?
Mike from Boosted States.
We hit 573 at the wheels on the Audi just now, which is really good on a Mustang dyno, so that was super cool. Okay guys, so I have to ask you, what's your favorite? The Audi R8, the M4, the R8, this is the V8 version, We got the Gallardo. Of course, we got Jake Paul's Performante. We got another white Performante. And then we have this beautiful RS7 Audi. So what is your guys' favorite? Let me know in the comments below.
Probably take you for a round the block in it real quick.
Oh, okay. That is super sweet, man. I love it. That is awesome. All right, so we're going for a spin in the Audi. Check that out.
Thanks, Mel. Good seeing you.
Pleasure, sir.
All right, Mike, have some fun.
Thanks, Alan.
Boosted states.
Oh my god. Okay, alright. This is pretty sick. Popping, oh my gosh. Dang. Definitely gotta get around that curve carefully.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it really throws you in the back of your seat,
really
dude.
does.
Oh my
Really
gosh. Wow. That throws you. God. Oh, here we go. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Definitely the fastest like acceleration experience I've ever had in my life.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. That was insane. Oh my gosh. They want you to do donuts. So you gonna pay for my tires then?
Exactly.
Dude, everybody's just like their jaws dropping looking at you, dude. That's so funny. Do you have an Instagram?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
Kegudi. Kegudi.
All right, you guys, you heard it here first. You gotta follow him. I know I will. Oh my gosh. Like, I knew it was gonna be fast, but like, that was really freaking fast, bro. I was not expecting it to be that fast. That was beautiful. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I really appreciate that. That was an amazing experience. That was really awesome. That was, oh my gosh. I love the wheels you got on here too. Rotoform. That is sweet. Wow.
We design everything, prototype everything here in-house, and the concepts are all created and tested and validated here. Once we designed everything and finalized the design, we submit CAD drawings to vendors locally. So everything is manufactured here in California. Got a small assembly line here. We're typically assembling 4 or 5 supercharger kits a day. Jose's been assembling kits for over 10 years now. And
wow.
These are our E92 M3 supercharger replacement manifolds. You can buy the supercharger kit non-intercooled, and it has a blank plate. And then it's upgradable to a water-cooled system where this heat exchanger is slid in. And then you'll see again, these are the free-floating fastening water fittings. An interesting design that we created about 10 years ago. They're actually broached through the bore so that they can be secured in place as such, and you'll actually see that's an interesting concept, and then we can actually tighten the fitting in that manner.
So when did you guys start your start VF Engineering? How long has it been around?
I started supercharging cars in 1996 in England, and I was experimenting with the internet. Then in those days the internet became kind of more accessible to most people, to the masses, and we started getting emails from the USA, from all over the country, while I was in London, and we thought, well, let's go and visit the US and check it out. And immediately we found companies that were like willing to order supercharger kits for the Golf 3 VR6, because that was the hot potato in those days. And then eventually, within a year, I decided to move over and expand the range of kits, create new ones. So we started with the 911 Porsche, the 996 in those days, and we did the BMW E39 540. And then the range of kits I designed just continued to grow. I did a complete range of E-Series supercharger kits for the BMWs. Then we did the Porsche 997 when that came out in 2005. Following by the Audi S4, the Audi R8 in 2008, and then the R8 V10 and the Gallardo V10 in 2009. And then here we are doing the yeah.
That's super cool.
These are 7075 aluminum machined. We wanted them to look really trick, kind of like skateboard wheels.
Yeah, I definitely see that for sure.
That's where we got this concept from. I mean, they're a lot lighter, so it reduces inertia, rotational inertia. But you know, we just thought we'd do that.
Yeah, that's cool.
These are high-speed bearings as well, which have increased life expectancy.
This place is like the man cave of man caves. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. And hit that like button and that subscribe button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And thank you so much, Nick, for having me out. I'm gonna shake your hand right now.
Thanks, Mike.
Thank you so much for having me out. I really had a great time. And I will see you Monday when we go drifting with Sam.
Look forward to it.
All right.